On this episode, we're making a slow cooker chili that's got a few twists. It uses a Bloody Mary mix to spice it up. It also has a couple of secret ingredients that's going to help you up your chili game. Preheat your pan and add some oil. Onion skin can be a rascal. Just submerge the onion in some water for a few minutes. That softens up the skins, whether it's red, yellow, Vidalia, any type of bulb onion. Just look, the skin comes off so easy. Finally, chop your onion and add it to that pan. We're going to add some red bell peppers and some celery. Celery always adds sweetness to a dish. We just want to cook these for a few minutes. We're just gently sweating them off to soften them. We're going to use 1.5 pounds of ground turkey. You could use ground chicken if you want to. Actually, you could even use ground beef or pork for this recipe. It's all about you being creative, but whatever you do, make sure you chop it up with the spoon as you're cooking it, otherwise you'll end up with a hamburger. Season this with some salt and freshly milled pepper. Give that a stir. We're going to add some minced garlic, and here's a secret ingredient. Grated ginger. Yes, freshly grated ginger. If your grocery store doesn't sell fresh ginger, they actually make a paste in a tube now, so feel free to use that. Tomato paste always gives the sauce a beautiful backbone. It helps thicken it and adds a nice taste to it. So mix that in. Now that all the ingredients are mixed in, it's time to add the chicken mixture to the slow cooker. Add the Bloody Mary mix. We're going to add some beans. We've got garbanzo beans, cannellini beans, black beans and pinto beans. You can use whatever beans you love. Some scallions, some cilantro, and then we're going to add some smoked paprika. This is going to add a beautiful smoky flavour. Some cumin's going to add some earthiness to this. Now that we've got the ingredients together, place the lid on and set this on slow cook for 4 hours. When it's finished, it'll be nice and thick. A good tip for you, this makes a large batch. You can freeze these in individual portions by using your muffin tin. Freeze them and then remove them out and place them into a sealable bag. On a rainy day or a day that you don't want to cook, you can just grab it out of the freezer, place it in the microwave for a minute or two, and now you've got instant chili. When it comes to serving this, I love to serve it with fresh lime, sour cream, scallions and cheese. This is a great recipe for a cool day. Happy days.